Dumpster rental service in Blanco, Texas. Looking for an efficient and affordable dumpster rental service in Blanco, Texas? Purple Cow Dumpsters is here to help. We provide roll-off dumpsters that make waste management simple and hassle-free. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, a business remodel, or a construction project, we have the right dumpster size to meet your needs. Our rental process is quick and hassle-free. Just choose your dumpster size, schedule a delivery, fill it out, and we'll take care of the rest. No more worrying about junk piling up or multiple trips to the landfill. We handle everything for you. We take pride in offering transparent pricing with no hidden fees. What you see is what you get, and our friendly team is here to help you every step of the way. We'll ensure you get the right dumpster size for your project so you're not paying for unnecessary space. When you need a dumpster rental service in Blanco, Texas, trust the experts who prioritize efficiency, affordability, and customer satisfaction. We work with homeowners, contractors, and business owners to provide top-quality service with prompt delivery and pickup. Don't let waste slow down your project. Call 830-730-3305 today to schedule your dumpster rental. Let Purple Cow Dumpsters handle the mess while you focus on what matters most.